Hello, everybody. My name is Ozian, and I'm back with some more opening up. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell, all that fun stuff. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, in our last episode, we were stuck with this little area, so I did some sleuthing around, and I was a regular gumshoe, and I found a key up and over this way, over right here-ish, by that little cube, not cube, that pyramid. So the key, and then I went to put the key in there, and the key broke, and I couldn't figure that out for a little bit. So I was looking around, and then I found some tweezers. Used the tweezers to go pull out the other key part. As you can see, the broken key, and that, and again, I was kind of stuck again, and I finally figured out it was a weird issue with trying to pick it up, and I finally got it. So here we are, and we're gonna leave off from that. And I know these guys are gonna do something creepy once I epoxy it. I can almost guarantee. It's creepy little mannequins. Ugh. Now this is the epoxy. We did that in the we found these in the other episode, the first episode. And now, like, you see, I can't push E, or I can push E, but it's not picking it up. And you kind of have to find the proper angle in which to pick it up. And that's the hard part. You have to be very specific on your movements. And if I could ever get it. Q quick epoxy part A. The first part of a two-part metal epoxy. There should be another can that looks just like this one. And we found said. That doesn't matter. I don't know why I just can't pick it up as is like this. The collision detection is god-awful. One day I will pick it up. You hear me? One day. Come on. I don't understand how this could take so long, but here we are. Come on, come on. Pick it all the way up from over here. I don't know if you guys can hear the clanking on my keyboard, but I am pressing for days. Pressing like you never saw. The best presses ever. Come on, come on. Hey, there we go. Wow. That took way too long. Unset epoxied key added to inventory.
I think that's about everything I can find for now. Might be best to get some more testimony from Hugo's friends now.
Let's do that. No creepy mannequins yet. Assume we gotta let it set a little bit. Harden, if you will. Leave you creepy clowns over here. I'm just happy we got that can. Oh my god, that was difficult. Stuck on bed.
Maybe I should take the lead this time and message one of Hugo's friends myself. The problem is, I can't be certain that his roommate's friends would know Hugo.
Ruining out of names, I just got that. Shit is crazy, yo.
Talk about good timing. Alright, Brandon, let's see what you know.
If anything. How's it going, fam? Who the fuck is this, motherfucker? Come on, bro. It's your boy. Oh, shit. Yoink it. I should call the cops. Straight to the point. Oh shit, you're unironically a cop. Shit. A plant. Oh, weed. Durr. I'm like, why a plant? Hanging by a thread. He's not gonna die, is he? He just might. You just gotta give me all the information you need, bruh. Right here, right now. Okay, 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 you got me. I wanna know everything. I know he had plans, but he didn't say what. Guy keeps to himself, mostly. Well, I guess still Sam. Yeah, it's Sam. He had plans after. Uh-huh. And Hugo wasn't answering my text. I figured he brought some chick back to his place or something. Gonna get freaky about chicka wow wow. You know, getting high, smoking some of that herb. Well, he was gonna be the DD, and then he ends up in a car crash. Interesting. Get lit at the club. Wow. Love the lingo. Well, obviously Hugo doesn't drink if he's the DD constantly. But that's good, though. Quitting drinking and drugs and all that is a hard thing. Sam, for sure. I've been telling him to get his name legally changed to Chad. Because Chad likes to drink. Oh, yeah. But Kyle likes to punch out walls. My man brings home different girls constantly, sometimes two a night. Man, what a whore. Chicks love the fruity shit wine he buys. That's funny. So in short, Hugo had some mysterious plans, and was going to meet you afterwards. Dun dun dun. Right on, my detective dude. Oh, that sounds like Bill and Ted. Love that movie though. Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Just hope Hugo pulls through. Guy has been through too much to die now. What is he going through? What is he going through? Wait. Said Hugo. Hergo. Hergo was hurt bad, you know. Huh? Text me right now, dog. Check this shit out. Retry. We don't want that. I thought that was a part of the game. Sounds just like him,
I
man.
don't think Hugo is even conscious right now. How can he be texting Brandon?
Gotta run. Thanks for the help. Okay. Anything added? Statement. Okay. Creepy. Made my hair stand up. Where to now? There's a phone? Ooh, my hair is standing up. Wait, the phone's up there. What am I doing? Keep ringing. It sounded like it came from the basement. This is weird. There's the phone. Oh, did you get up the stairs already? Jesus. Fire's out. Because that's not creepy.
Damn it, Jonah. I've been trying to call you for 20 minutes.
20
Why
minutes.
aren't you answering your phone?
Ah, shit. I must have left it in my car.
It's fine, Jonah. I was just calling to let you know that you can head out now. And what have you been doing there? Do fill me in.
God, he's so creepy.
My job. Figuring out what happened to Hugo earlier in the night, along with collecting testimony from his friends.
Well, won't be needing any of that, Detective. His blood work just came in. BAC of .177 at the time of the crash.
He was drunk?
No. He actually has a rare genetic anomaly that naturally produces alcohol in his bloodstream.
Wonder if that's a real thing.
Boys at the lab have never seen anything like it. They're saying he's some sort of superhuman or mutant. Of course he was drunk. What the fuck is
And I'm
wrong
sitting here
with you,
like
Jonah?
believing him.
What kind of question is that?
And we're certain he was the one driving tonight.
Positive. No one else was in that car except him. It's over, Jonah. You can head home now.
It just doesn't make any damn sense, Stephen.
Oh, so, I've seen my fair share of degenerates driving home drunk in this city. It shouldn't surprise you.
Very
First
jaded.
off, this kid wasn't a degenerate. And I do find it surprising that he was drinking, let alone drinking and driving. Let's pull this apart, one step at a time. What do I have that shows that Hugo wouldn't be drinking tonight? I don't think that was what I wanted. Let's try this again. I don't think that was what I wanted.
Oh, the statement, duh.
Let's try this again. I have testimony from one of Hugo's friends. They made it clear that Hugo had sworn off alcohol.
We should keep this case open over the word of one of his friends.
Yeah.
Did you consider the possibility that he was covering for Hugo?
I did, and I ruled that out. Besides, this testimony raises questions about what might have transpired tonight.
It raises questions, but it doesn't change anything, Jonah. I have the labs right here. Hugo was drunk tonight, no doubt about it.
Don't you find it odd that someone would change their character like this so suddenly?
Not at all. Maybe the kid had a bad day.
Must have been one hell of a bad day.
Right?
Let me finish. Maybe this isn't his first bad day. Maybe he's going through some shit. People get in bad places sometimes, Jonah. Kid was probably just unstable.
Unstable? I don't think so. What do I have that shows that Hugo was doing well in his life? I don't think that was what I wanted. Let's try this again.
Scholarship, come on.
I disagree. I found a letter detailing that Hugo just received a scholarship. Big one, too. Probably more than either of us make in a year. My
Burn!
point is, you don't get that kind of recognition without putting in the work. Hugo was doing well for himself, Stephen. Why would he go against everything he stands for? I have another document that shows how his actions tonight go against his values. Hugo was making regular donations to a charitable organization, Dad. He wasn't just giving them pocket change either. We're talking thousands of dollars a year.
Very noble, I must
Doing
say.
something this reckless, after swearing off alcohol and donating to a charity focused on stopping impaired driving? You can't tell me there's nothing here, Stephen.
I'll say this, Jonah. I wasn't expecting this out of you. And you're right about one thing. There isn't nothing here. All that years that you learned about a hypocrite.
Wow.
People used to be able to buy their way into heaven, Jonah. This is not all that different. Kid probably did this often and was justifying his behavior by donating to charity. We gotta work with what we got. And it's as I said, the lab report doesn't lie. Now, unless there's something else you want to mention,
Yeah,
I
fuck
think
you.
we're done here.
Something else. Is there anything else relating to Hugo that I can have the captain look into for me?
I think so.
There was one last thing, actually. Could you look up a name for me? Lily Jones. Look for anything that might have popped up in 2015.
Give me a second. Okay. Oh, Jonah, did you know who this girl was?
No, that's why I asked.
No, I assumed she was related to Hugo somehow. Maybe his sister?
Well, if we lived in Alberta, this might have been his sister too. She was actually Hugo's wife.
Oh no, plot thickens.
There is a police report. I need a moment to pull it up. Whole damn network has been acting up lately. Okay, I got the report. Oh God. She was in a nasty car accident, like her husband. Only she wasn't as lucky.
It's supposed to be in a
She
coma.
was still alive when paramedics got to her. Numerous bones broken, organs crushed,
Jeez.
and a degloved face.
What is a degloved face?
Degloved.
You know when you pull a glove off your hand and it turns inside out?
Oh, Jesus
Same
Christ.
idea here.
That is horrible.
Poor girl. Seems like she really suffered before passing.
Ugh, why would you even say that?
Wait, how did the crash happen? Who was involved?
Let's see here. The car that collided with her had two passengers. Seemed to be a married couple. The husband in that car was determined to be at fault due to driving under the influence of alcohol.
It all makes sense now. That letter I found about the charity. Hugo started his donations in 2015. Stephen, after what we've just learned, you can't tell me this case doesn't strike you as odd.
Strikes me as odd.
You're right. Look, let's wrap this call up so you can get back to work. You've got to find out why Hugo left the house tonight.
All I know is that he had plans to go somewhere and was going to meet up with his friend afterwards. There's gotta be more to this.
Of course there is. There's
Now
always more.
remember, despite the discrepancies, it's still not looking too good for Hugo right now. So you find out something I can work with, or you head home. Understood?
Understood. Looks like the key I fixed earlier is finally settled. The instructions on the epoxy said I should heat the key to finish the bonding process.
But now, this is out. I'd heat it over a flame if they had one over here. Yeah, like this. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Creepy ass music. This just took a fucking turn. Oh, God. Cue. But this still has power. That doesn't make any sense unless, well... Oh, God. The hair is raising up on my arms. Oh, God. That music. I think I have to go to this box right in front of me. Oh, rat! You... That went right through the wall. Oh, but that rat scared the bejeebus out of me. Okay. Whoa, that wasn't there before. Oh! Oof. Wow, that was dumb but scary. The fuck was that? Oh, you move. There's more. And there... Yeah. Walk, please, thank you. Can I turn on the light? Get out of the thing. I keep running into things.
I don't need to use the laptop anymore.
Yeah. Nothing in there. Okay, most everything is back on except for this. That was creepy. Maybe I can heat it on this. I have to go back down in Creepsville. Let's do it. They're watching me. Put it in the dryer. I figured I'd have to find like a match or something. I have a feeling I have to pick up a hanger sometime soon. Back together, I need to heat it up to complete the bonding process. But where do I heat it up? Is this really what I do? Stick it in the microwave. There we go. To finally open the upstairs bedroom. And let's go do that in the next episode. Aw, cliffhanger. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell, all that fun stuff. As always, I greatly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on that continue click. Auf Wiedersehen.